Alright guys, we're going to try to do an unboxing. I finally got it. They didn't have the orange one in, so I had to get the red and black one, which that's fine. It's the Blazer TRX-4 with locking differential high and low speed. And I got me a Gen Z 7600 milliamp battery with it too, so plenty of power, plenty of power. So thanks to everybody, so forth. So let's see if I can place this camera somewhere and open this box up. I don't have a stand because it broke. Maybe that'll work right there. I love the smell of new RC coming out of the box. Sorry for the camera shake, but it is what it is. Let's see. That's nothing. Oh man, that looks so good. I can smell it. Oh. Yeah, there she is. Fit on that stand. Got all the instructions, more clips. I wanted that one, but they had the red, which is fine. I'm not picky, real picky. So I gotta take that off. Throw that over there. Okay. Let's see, we're going to take this. And it's got it on the bumper too, and there's a piece right here. Okay guys, that is it. The TRX-4 Blazer is the newest one they got out. It's got the rally wheels on it. It's got the high and low. Let me, sorry about that. Let me get the controller out. Oh man, I forgot to go get batteries for it. I think I got to get 4 AA's. Well, there it goes. There's the controller. There's the locking differential here, and then the high and low here. So I love these TRX-4s. I've had a Bronco, I've had the Land Rover TRX-4, and then this is the newest one. I'm gonna put some Proline KC lights up here, or I guess they're LED lights. And of course, eventually I'm gonna change the rim, tires. I'm gonna put a winch on here. I'll have to change the bumper out. I'm gonna put working headlights, LEDs in the headlights, blinkers, tail lights, and some other stuff. But that's it, guys. The new TRX-4 Blazer 4x4. And take off the body a minute. It's got the mini servos here for locking the differential, unlocking the differential, high and low speed. It's got a Titan 21 turn 550 motor in it with reverse rotation. It's got another mini servo here. I don't know, it's got 3 mini servos, and then it's got the steering servo, which that's going to be replaced too, probably with a ProTech 370. So I just got to get one. They're like 160 bucks. So but other than that, that's probably all I'm going to do to it. But that's it. And then of course the battery. Let's see the battery. Hopefully the battery will fit. It should. Just like that. Yeah, it will fit, I think. I'm gonna have to reverse it over. Hang on, let me put the camera down a minute. Yeah, the battery fits in there, and I've got a thing to go from the XT60 to Traxxas. So I was gonna cut these off and put Deans like I always do, but the hobby shop had an adapter for me, so I had it somewhere. I don't know where. Yeah, here it is. Right here. Let me see. Like that. Okay. There's the adapter that goes to it, and then it fits the XT60. So I got all that. I just need to charge the battery up. I don't really like doing the wires like this under this, but it should be alright. I like the plug-in wires with the 4 or 5 millimeter bullet connectors, but they didn't have any like that. So, but that'll work temporarily. I'll end up getting another 2-cell because I gotta have it for my Serpent I'm getting. So, and that goes on there. These always fall off for some reason, but anyway. But yep, that's it. And we will be mounting the camera up here, probably right here, and because the lights will be here, the KC lights or LED lights, so the camera should be fine right here. And we'll do some trailing. So, but that's it, guys. The TRX-4 Blazer 4x4, high and low and unlocking differential, so you can drive 2-wheel drive. If you get in a situation where you need 4-wheel drive, you can lock the disc and go 4-wheel drive. So that's it for now. I just wanted to share it with you guys. I've had it in my truck all day, and the only thing I hate about these bodies, it's so wide. Sorry about that, trying to get this body on, but it's on now. But that's it, guys. USA 1. Happy 4th to everybody. I know I didn't get on. I was going to get on there yesterday and tell everybody, but happy 4th of July from yesterday. And I'm going to get out of here for now. I'm going to charge the battery up and go play a little bit. Probably this evening when it gets cooler. It's like 98 degrees out there right now. But anyway, we'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good day and keep RCing. Have a good time with it. That's what they're there for. See you guys.